guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another synthetic affordable wig review. Today I'm rocking the ever famous Gabriela. This is a very popular wig if you are a synthetic wig wearer, and I had to try it. I have got the sisters to Gabriela, which are Juliana and Ella. Juliana's the really long wavy one and Ella's the short one. They're all similar curl patterns, just different lengths. And I can see why Gabriela is the most popular of the three. Because of the length, you get that really nice volume. It's kind of like if you've done like wand curls or flexi rods and then, you know, brushed it out. It's very nice and full. However, the hair is very light, density wise. It's not heavy at all, but you definitely do get that volume that makes it really, really pretty. Now, in terms of the cap size, I would say that this one is an average cap size. It fits my head, even though it's not cornered underneath. And also this one's just a lace parting in the middle. I just put my powder just to make it more obvious. Now, I will say the parting that they plucked isn't very wide, so you might want to pull out some extra bits of hair, but I just added my powder and just made it more distinct. Now, this one also has two combs in the front, one in the back, but I didn't use them. It also has the adjustable strap, which I've used. It fits me nice and snug without being too tight. Texture wise, it is more on the silkier side. And in regards to shedding, I haven't really gotten much shedding yet. I've only like finger combed it. I haven't brushed it. Tangling, yeah, it's definitely, you know, snagging. But that's the thing with the curlier textures, you definitely do get more, you know, tangling and snagging. But once again, like I always say, these are synthetic wigs. The price is very affordable, so you know, you can't expect it to be perfect, but for the price, I think it's pretty good. As with all my curly synthetic wigs, they're not wigs that I would wear every day, only because it would end up tangling a lot quicker and you wouldn't get as long a wear out of it. So this is a wig that I'd wear today and then not wear it for maybe a week or two, then wear it again. So yeah, I can have it for a longer period of time. Otherwise, if you just want a curly type wig for an event, or you know, for a special occasion, this is a really cute wig. Now, price wise, this one came to about 18 US dollars, which is about 26 Australian dollars, which is very affordable. And I also got this one on maingang.com. So yeah, that website is proving to be my go-to for my synthetic wigs. Like I said, shipping to Australia is reasonable and it comes in, you know, a decent amount of time. It doesn't take like 4 weeks, it's about a week and a bit. So yeah, I am loving this wig. Definitely my favorite of the three because it is a lot more practical because of the length. Now, this hair will definitely get frizzy because it's already getting frizzy from me running my fingers through it, but it's expected. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna move on and show you how I put on the wig, how easy it was. But just before I do that, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.